Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Michelle, and today I have Sarah with me.
Hello.
We are doing another collaborative video. I'm really excited about this one. It's just fun. It's a fun video. We are out in San Diego right now, and we thought since we're going to dinner tonight, we would go ahead and style looks for each other. So I'm going to be picking out 3 outfits for Sarah. She's going to be picking out 3 outfits for me. If you want to see what Sarah picked out for me, head over to Sarah's channel.
Yes.
We have a lot of stuff laid out on our beds. We brought a lot of things with us today so that we would have options. And then out of the 3 outfits that I pick out and she picks out, we're each going to pick for ourselves which one we would like to wear out tonight. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the styling, but before that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and to Sarah's channel, and make sure you check out both videos, and let's get into the styling. Okay guys, I have a bed full of Sarah's items. She brought a lot and I'm super excited about all the pieces. She gave me such a variety compared to like what I brought her, so I think that I'm gonna have maybe more fun. So my first thought is I for sure want to put her in leather pants. That's just kind of like the first thing that I saw. I feel like that's a good nighttime feel. Thank you, assistant, for the hangers. I'm going to be putting Sarah's outfits on the hangers for her to choose from. So I think I'm going to go for this leather pant. This is kind of just the first thing that I'm seeing, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. She also has this really cute top right here. I love the print of it. This is such a cute, oh, it's a bodysuit. So I think I'm going to pick this bodysuit. It looks like she has this little like underlay bralette to go with it. So I think that this is going to be kind of the first thing that we're going for. Interesting. Jacket choices. I would want a coat for this, but it is cold tonight, so I do want to keep her warm. My first thought would be like a black or brown jacket. Let's see what my options are. I do have this leather jacket. Leather on leather? How do we feel about that? I'm not sure how I feel about that. Maybe we do this. I'm torn. Would that be weird? Let's see. Let's just do it. We're gonna give her a leather on leather look. I feel like this jacket is textured enough. I don't know if maybe she'll pick it, but I feel like it's a fun look. And then she has some shoe options, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick a pair of shoes. Okay, so I think I'm gonna pick these boots. I'm not sure how they'll fit over the leather pants, but we're just gonna go for it. So this is gonna be her first look. Okay, so second look. I see a dress here, so I'm feeling like maybe going for a dress just to kind of change it up. She has this black one that is super cute. It looks really comfortable and stretchy. Maybe something that would be comfortable enough to wear to dinner. It's not like, it doesn't feel like it's too constricting. It feels like very soft material. And I'm already eyeing a coat here, but kind of want to maybe do this coat with a different outfit. Okay, I think that I'm going to really dress up this dress, and I'm going to pair it with her leather trench that she has. I feel like that would be such a cute look. And because the dress is short, I feel like having a long leather jacket will keep her even warmer. And then I think we're going to definitely put her in some boots, maybe do a monochromatic look, like all black, just really go for it. So I've decided I'm actually going to use the same boots from the last look. They are a higher boot, so I feel like with the short skirt and with the higher boot, she'll definitely be more comfortable, more warm. And then I am going to pick out a bag. I'm going to get her YSL bag because why not? This is the first look I get to style with a YSL bag. I think this is going to be the second look. It's a lot of leather. I'm really going for leather tonight, I just realized. But yeah, this is going to be her second look. Okay, last look. I saw Sarah in these jeans earlier, and I really like them, so I'm going to pick them in tonight's look. I'm definitely going for a lot of black, but it's cute pieces. I can't help myself. So this pair of jeans that she has is this really cute like crossover denim, like a crisscross denim, so I definitely want to pair her in this. And then she has this really cute plaid coat, so I think I'm definitely going to add that, make it cozy, keep her warm. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and give her this brown top. It's backless, which is super cute. I'm pretty sure this is from Nastygal. It is. It is super stretchy, super comfy, and I think that since this coat is already super warm, I think pairing her in a sweater top, she might overheat. So I think this backless top would be perfect. Really cute for dinner. Pair it with some jeans. Now she does have this really cute bag that I am going to be pairing with this. It is this one here. It's a Bottega Veneta dupe. And I think this will be a fun little added detail to the whole outfit, just add more texture. And then she has these really cute boots. I'm going to go ahead and pick out these Croc boots. They're kind of like a Western vibe. And I think that'll be really cute to pair with the jacket. So this is Sarah's third look. Okay guys, now we're gonna have Sarah come out and show us the outfits, and she's gonna let us know what she thinks of each one. So first look. Yay, come on down.
Since you didn't give me a bag for this one, I
didn't get her a bag for this one. Her accessory is her drink.
Okay, this one is super cute. I really like it.
Wow. I think it was like just unsure of like so much leather.
I don't mind that though.
Yeah.
I very much love a good leather look, so I'm into it. And I love the fact that you gave me a jacket because this is really cold.
Yeah. I know, I was like, it's sheer, it's a bodysuit, but
yeah,
still
it feels like wearing nothing.
Yeah, even though she's wearing leather pants, I was like, still need a sweater. It's cold outside.
Yeah, and I like the mix of brown and black. I know it's like a thing that a lot of people are like scared to do, but yeah, I feel like that's not like a fashion rule anymore. And just go for it.
Anything goes.
Yeah, it's cute. I like it.
Yeah, personally, I actually really like it.
Yeah, definitely a contender.
Yeah.
For tonight.
Yeah. We will see.
Okay, this is a maybe. This is strong maybe.
Strong maybe.
Yeah.
All right, next look. Okay, guys, second look. Matrix. It's a little matrixy. Ooh, she's going somewhere.
She's stylish.
Wow.
Yes. Oh, like action.
I mean, I don't know what your thoughts are.
I really like this one.
Wow. It's like,
love.
it looks pretty comfy.
I just question with how cold it would be.
Too bad you didn't have black tights.
I just don't like tights.
She doesn't wear tights, people.
No,
Not even an option.
I did a lot of years of ballet. I put in my dues with tights. We're done.
Okay, so maybe like in Orange County, warmer weather.
Yeah.
But near the beach, like San Diego Beach.
But this is so warm because like the inside too, it's not just like leather. It's like got, it's not fleece, but it's like got some more material inside. So I mean, I could
like layers to it. Yeah.
With this walking, I could easily.
I love the boots with it. Those are such cute boots.
So cute.
And that dress looked really comfy. Is it comfy?
It's so comfy.
Yeah.
This dress is from Windsor, and it's just like, ugh.
I have their like long sleeve, so comfortable.
So freaking comfortable.
Yeah. And how cute is this jacket, you guys? Shoedazzle gave Sarah this jacket.
Yeah.
So shout out to Shoedazzle.
Yeah, I love it. Between those two, I feel like probably I'd lean this one.
Okay.
Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just like, I feel like I love the other one.
Yeah.
I just like, I feel like a little bit spicy in this one.
Oh, spicy.
A little bit. So far, this one I would say is number one. Also, it doesn't hurt that you.
Yeah, I added the
you
one.
put it in here. So.
Yeah, I was like, let's like really put it together. Yeah. Okay, third look. Okay, guys, third look. Come on down.
Cute. Super cute.
I definitely did like a very like black and brown theme.
You had
this evening.
you
just,
had
like,
a thing going on.
Yeah,
today.
I was in a mood.
Yeah. But I like, this thing is so cozy.
Yeah.
Like, it's the coziest thing ever. Like, I would definitely be warm in this outfit, but like ventilated, you know?
Yeah, it is backless, so I feel like this jacket is perfect if you're like in a cold area.
So cute. And I love this bag. I just
think
it's like,
I think it's so cute.
It's
you
so
can wear it a couple different ways. It's like such a fun detailed bag.
Yeah, and then also too, I like pairing the boots with these jeans because like they're so distressed, but like the boots with the pointed toe.
Yes.
Like kind of dresses them up a little
Dresses
bit
them
more.
up, elongates the leg, and then I think these jeans are like so fun.
Yeah. My one thing is like I wish that this was shorter so you could see the waist on this.
You could, I mean, yeah.
I can't bra tuck it. There's no
that's
bra.
true. Yeah, and it's backless too, so it's like, that's true.
Like that's just like my one thing I wish was there.
Yeah.
That isn't. But I think this would be the winner for tonight.
Yeah.
Especially considering it's a little bit cold. We're going to be walking. So.
Yeah.
This allows me to start warm.
Yeah.
And take off without like being super cold. Because like I would say, I would have said the second one, but if I get too hot and I take that off, that's like a lot less clothing.
Yeah, because it is it was
Yeah.
like a tank top dress,
Yeah.
whereas like this one has sleeves, so you would be able to like still stay warm and cool yourself off if the jacket's too much.
Totally.
But if it's too cold, the jacket saves you there.
Yeah.
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 So this is the winner then?
This is the one.
Yay!
Yay, Michelle.
Okay, let's finish off, since this is the winning look, let's go ahead and finish off this outfit with some jewelry. Sarah has a lot of options for me. I think I want to do fun earrings because I feel like you already have a high neck, so let's not put necklaces on.
Yeah.
So we're going to check out Sarah's earrings.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Those are
She
really
has a
good.
couple hoop options. I'm immediately drawn to these. This is very like, I feel like the look that I would go, since you already have a chain going on with the purse. Let's go ahead and do like a solid gold hoop. Sarah already has her like daily rings that she wears all the time. And then I'm not going to be adding a necklace, like I said. I feel like it's just like too much.
It'll take away.
Take away. Yeah, totally.
So here's the earrings, so you guys can see them.
Cute. So this is Sarah's finished look.
There you go.
So if you guys want to see what Sarah picks out for me, make sure that you check out her channel and you subscribe, because she is going to be styling an outfit for me to wear. Really excited to see.
I'm really excited to style for you.
Yeah, I have no idea.
I haven't decided if I'm going to push you or not. We'll just see. We'll see how it goes.
We'll see. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll go ahead and try to link all of the items that I picked out for Sarah in this video. So make sure that you check the description if you guys want to pick up any of those pieces. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.